With so many gardeners investing time and money in indoor plants to make homes and home offices more livable, there comes a moment of stress when you have to think about holidays, how to keep your plants alive and thriving while you're away. The Holman Self-Watering Indoor Irrigation System is a complete drip irrigation setup with an inbuilt pump for 10 plants. There's everything you need here to water. So there's individual drippers. Now you don't have to use them all, and they basically go straight into this tube here, which connects them all, and that then in turn is connected back to this pump, which is also a controller. You can choose your own watering source for the system. Recycle old water bottles by screwing them directly onto the indoor timer. If you're going to be away for a long period of time, then get a full bucket of water like this. Then it's simply a matter of connecting this pipe into the pump, like so, and dropping this end to your bucket. This unit has a rechargeable battery in it, so you can actually charge that up with a USB connection, and when it's fully charged, you've got a duration of 28 days. Set watering durations and times based on your plant's requirements, with interval scheduling from 1, 3, 6 or 12 hours, or every 1 to 7 days, and duration starting at just 5 seconds, going up to 1 hour. Now you're ready to hit the holiday trail, knowing that when you return, your plants are going to be smiling at you. Priceless.